Ballet Polkas and petits jetes, autour de salle. Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Stand in fifth position, right foot front, arms in fifth en basse combination. Count 1 to 2, introduction, hold the position. Count 3 to 4, point tendu, right foot devant with arms in collapse behind the back, hands on hips. 1 to 4, 2 polkas forward on the right, then the left, polka with the hop on the left foot. 5 to 8, 4 petits jetes derrière on right foot, right, left, arms may open to demi-second. On counts 9 to 24, repeat 2 more time polkas first all the time. 25 to 32, run and finish in own pose facing the front. May be asked for in other directions. Hops, gallops, and steps. Polka may be used at the teacher's duration. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.